Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these custom design insoles from Roadrunner Sports. So this is what the packaging looks like. So they're custom design insoles for Supreme Arc support. And they wrote some notes on my size. They're for running shoes, neutral. It's a mid cushion, and I have imbalance arches. So this is the box it comes with. And it's like it says in the bottom, from Roadrunner Sports, made in store in minutes. So here's the back of the box. It's pretty cool. You mold them to your feet in store. So they heat up the custom insoles, and then after they're heated, you step on them, kind of like here. They show you step on them, and they form perfectly to your soles. And they have a 90-day perfect fit promise. So I'm going to show you all that. Let me show you what they look like. So like I said, they heated them up, and then I stood on them after they were heated, and they molded perfectly to my soles. So I will say they are very comfortable. Got to put them into my new running shoes and see how they're like, but apparently they're useful for multiple pairs of running shoes. So you could just slide these in to multiple pairs of running shoes. They'll fit in all shoes, and they last for the duration of multiple running shoes, I was told. So I want to take jogging and running more seriously this year, so decided to up my game with these custom insoles by Roadrunner Sports. So yeah, thanks everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.